Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Zoom quit unexpectedly error on your mobile device. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on Settings in your mobile. This is where you'll access all the app management tools needed to resolve this issue. Once you're in Settings, tap on Apps. This section gives you control over all the applications installed on your device and allows you to manage their performance and storage. Next, tap on Zoom to open its specific app settings. This is where you can troubleshoot any problems related to the Zoom application directly. Now tap on Force Stop. This action will immediately close the Zoom app and stop all its background processes. Sometimes apps get stuck in a problematic state, and forcing them to stop can clear up temporary glitches that cause unexpected crashes. A confirmation will pop up asking if you're sure you want to force stop the app. Go ahead and tap OK to proceed. This confirms your action and ensures the app is completely shut down. After force stopping the app, tap on Storage and Cache. This section manages all the temporary files and data that Zoom has accumulated over time. Now, tap Clear Cache. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that might be corrupted or causing conflicts, which is often the root cause of apps quitting unexpectedly. This won't delete your login information or personal settings, just the temporary data that can sometimes become problematic. Once you've cleared the cache, restart your phone. A fresh restart helps your device reload all its systems properly and ensures that the changes you've made take full effect. This simple step can resolve many app-related issues by giving your device a clean slate to work with. After your phone restarts, try opening Zoom again to see if the issue is resolved. If the app still quits unexpectedly, you'll need to take one more step. Try to uninstall and reinstall the Zoom app. This gives you a completely fresh installation of the app, which eliminates any corrupted files or settings that might have been causing the crashes. To do this, simply long press the Zoom app icon, select Uninstall, then head to your App Store and download Zoom again. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the Zoom quit unexpectedly error on your mobile device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.